Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and you can select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is class 7 chapter 13 Ek Tinka. Tinka means a small piece of grass. Okay. So let's read out the poem once. मैं घमंडों से भरा ऐंठा हुआ, एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा, अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ, एक तिनका आंख में मेरी पड़ा। मैं झिझक उठा, हुआ बेचैन सा, लाल होकर आंख भी दुखने लगी, मूठ देने लोग कपड़े की लगे, ऐंठ बेचारी दबे पांव भगी। जब किसी ढब से निकल तिनका गया, तब समझने यूं मुझे ताने दिए, ऐंठता तू किस लिए इतना रहा, एक तिनका है बहुत तेरे लिए। So this poem is written by Ayodhya Singh Upadhyay, Hari Oath. Okay, so let's see the meaning. मैं घमंडों से भरा ऐंठा हुआ. घमंड means pride. ऐंठा means an arrogant posture or arrogant behavior, arrogant character. So मैं घमंडों से भरा, भरा means filled, ऐंठा हुआ. I filled with pride and arrogance. एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा. एक दिन means one day, जब था means when. Mundere, mundere means you would have seen see in this picture also he is holding the balcony grill or terrace, that half feet wall will be there na, that one. Okay, the balcony grill, that like that place, that thing is called mundere. So when he was standing in the balcony, holding that balcony grill, when एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा, when he was standing in his balcony, अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ. अचानक means suddenly, दूर से means from far away, उड़ता हुआ means flying. अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ, suddenly something came flying from far away. एक तिनका, तिनका means piece of grass, आँख means eyes, में मेरी पड़ा, मेरी means mine, पड़ा means it went inside. A piece of grass went inside my eyes. Suddenly something came flying from far away and went into my eyes. What went? A small piece of grass. मैं झिझक उठा. झिझक उठा means like shocked or scared because of fear. Okay. हुआ बेचैन सा. बेचैन means restless. I became scared and restless. लाल होकर, लाल means red color, होकर आंख भी दुखने लगी. दुखने लगी means paining. So my eyes became red and it started paining. मूठ देने लोग कपड़े के लगे. मूठ means when something will go inside our eyes, what we will do, we will take a cloth and we'll make a like bundle of it and keep it in our eyes. We'll blow in it with air and we'll keep it in eyes. That moot, that pile of cloth is called moot. Moot dene log kapde ke lage. So people started giving pressure with that cloth. Ain't bechari dabe paon bhagi. Ain't means the pride and arrogance that I had, it ran away without making noise. Dabe paon means dabe paon jana means it's just a proverb that dabe paon means without making noise or without no one knowing. So dabe paon bhagi. Bhagi means she ran away. Who? The pride or arrogance he had ran away without making any noise. जब किसी ढब से निकल तिनका गया. जब किसी ढब से निकल means some way, somehow the piece of grass came out. तिनका निकल गया. निकल गया means it came out. किसी ढब से means by some ways तब समझ ने यो मुझे ताने दिए. समझने मीन्स माई कॉन्शियसनेस और माई माइंड ने मुझे ताने दिए. ताने मीन्स इट taunted me, like making fun of me. It made fun of me. ताने देना means making fun of or giving like taunting someone like that. एंटता तू किस लिए इतना रहा. वाई वेर यू हैविंग सो मच एरोगेंस, और वाई यू वेर सो एरोगेंट, और वाई यू हैड सो मच प्राइड. एक तिनका है बहुत तेरे लिए. अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ ग्रास इज इनफ फॉर यू. वाई यू वेर हैविंग सो मच head weight or so much, why we are so much big headed that you were arrogant. But what happened? A small piece of grass could break you down. You were in pain because of a small piece of grass. So why you were so much arrogant? Okay. So that is the poem. So what happened? One day a man who had a lot of arrogance and who had a lot of pride was standing in his balcony, and suddenly from somewhere a small piece of grass flew and what happened? It went inside his eyes, went into his eyes. Then he could not bear the pain, and he got very scared and restless, and his eyes got red and it started paining. Lot of people came and helped him by giving pressure on his cloth and tried taking it out. But in that when this was happening, his arrogance and his pride ran away totally, because he was feeling very ashamed that a small piece of grass could break him down. And why he was having this much pride that no one is better than him, or no one is capable of talking to him. So why he was so much arrogant? Because a small piece of grass could give him a pain. So he's not better, or he's not the best. So what happened? When then after some time, after trying so many ways, the tinka, that is the piece of grass, came out. And that time he understood that why he was having so much pride and arrogance was a total waste, because a small piece of grass could give him pain, or could make his life restless, or he was not able to control a small piece of grass. So there is no use in becoming arrogant or having so much pride over ourselves. So that is the chapter all about. I hope you understood the chapter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.